Hello everyone! This is going to be a video on the adorable Lego set of Chip and Dale, and they are just rocking their Rescue Ranger outfits. This is also the Lego set 40550, and it retails for about $20. I got mine off of the Lego website, but there are other areas that you can get it from. For the Lego Brick Headz, this is number 163 is Chip, and 164 is Dale. The box is just really amazing. I love it a lot. It even has some artwork of Chip and Dale from the Rescue Rangers. And the back kind of gives you more of a different view of how they're going to look like once they're completed. I'm going to go ahead and open the box and show you how it is inside. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So I opened it on this side. It's just kind of like a black corner with some details. And I figured I didn't want to open the nicer side, so let's go ahead and peek what's inside. Okay, so get kind of a glimpse of what it's inside. I got the manual here. This is what we'll use to build both of the Lego sets. There's some instructions there. And then further inside, we have about 4 different bags, and they're all numbered 1 through 4, so it'll make it easier for you to... Actually, I take that back. They're ordered 1, 2, 1, 2. And I'm guessing that's to separate both Chip and Dale, because each one also comes with their own instruction guides, which is also really wonderful. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this. I am going to go ahead and build it, and then I will show you how it looks after I'm done building it. Stay tuned. Alright, it is time to get building. I got one of my favorite mugs here, which I think you now know who my favorite between these two are. And so I just found out something when I first opened the manual, is that all of bag 2 is for Dale, and all of bag 1 is for Chip. So that way you can kind of line yourself up as you go in the process. All right, let's get building. just like that, we are done. Here are the completed Lego BrickHeadz, Chip and Dale in their Rescue Ranger outfits. They're just amazing and adorable. And I may have not said this in the beginning, but this is actually my very first BrickHeadz that I've ever gotten from Lego. And they're just amazing. Chip and Dale are one of my favorite Disney characters, and it was just an honor for them to be my first. One of the really cool things is actually the little tail on the back. It can actually go up and down. So I just really love all the detail that went into this, and I just can't wait to display them and show them off to my friends. Alright, I hope you enjoyed your time with me, and have a great day.